Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a weight loss Q&A video and talk to you about basically how I lost over 200 pounds. You can see on my Instagram some before and after pictures. And yeah, so my highest weight was 385 pounds and 385. That's about like 175 kilograms. And now I weigh under 185 pounds. I did a weigh in, I think a few days ago, and I weighed it at 81 kilograms. So I'm pretty under losing 200 pounds. So I'll talk to you a little bit about like how I do it and just kind of like the food that I eat and everything. I might do what I eat in a day sometime soon so you can actually see what I eat in a day, because I pretty much eat the same thing every day. And I've been eating like this for like months. So the first thing is how many calories I eat in a day. That was asked a lot, and I tried to like stick to 1,200 calories per day. Sometimes it's even 1,000 calories. It really does depend on what I'm eating. Sometimes I might skip like dinner, so it's obviously less. But yeah, usually I try to keep it at like 1,200 calories, but sometimes I do, home cooked meals that have a little bit more calories in them. But overall, that's kind of how much I'm eating. Also, I do try to eat like 3 times a day. I try to not snack too much, but I'm a really big snacker. So if I'm snacking, I'm usually snacking on like fruits and vegetables, but most likely like fruits. That's like my favorite snack. And sometimes too, sometimes I do try, what is it called? Intermediate fasting? I'm not sure if that's what it's called, but basically I don't eat for like dinner, and that also helps me lose weight. Basically, the first 100 pounds were super easy to lose, but then the second 100 pound is so difficult to lose. It takes forever. Mainly because I'm very inconsistent with my diet, but it just takes such a long time. Everything just slows down. Like my metabolism is slower. Everything is slower. Also, I don't exercise a lot. I've been asked if I exercise, like what exercises do I do? I mainly just walk. I do little exercises here and there, but I really don't like to go hard on the exercise. Yeah, I'd rather do it through food. That's pretty much how I lost all my weight. It's just to do it, like doing it through eating less, as opposed to burning more calories, just because I hate exercising so much. So also I forgot to say, about a year and a half ago, I did get the sleeve. Now things have pretty much gone back to like what they used to be before the sleeve, meaning like I'm super hungry. My metabolism is like slow. It's probably even slower than before getting the sleeve. It has slowed down a lot ever since I lost like 100 pounds. After that, everything has slowed down. I'm just as hungry. I can eat a lot. And yeah, so I have to really like pace myself and basically diet. I'm pretty much back at like square one when it comes to, the benefits of getting the sleeve. Well, no, actually, no, I'm not at square one. I'm pretty much where I left off before the sleeve, because I literally have to diet now to lose weight. The sleeve is not doing the work for me. I have to do it myself. One question that came up a lot is like, what keeps me motivated? I think I do get demotivated a lot, but going through getting the sleeve was not easy, and like I can't give up now. I still have about 20 kilograms to lose. I feel like I say this every time, but I literally do. I have 20 kilograms to lose, and I've lost almost 100 kilograms. When I'm going to be 75 kilograms, I will be technically, I would have lost 100 kilograms, because my highest weight was 175 kilograms. So just going through all that pain, I'm almost at the finish line. I just have to pace myself, diet. Another question that was asked is, how do I plan on keeping my weight? Like, how do I plan on being stable? I don't know, because I'm not there yet, but I am experiencing regain at this point. I am kind of sometimes going up and down a few kilograms if I'm not careful about what I eat. And what I mean by that, if I'm like eating like ice cream or chips or just bread or too much like carbs, I do experience weight gain. So even now, when I'm not even at the finish line, but I'm usually really good at like snapping back within like a day or two. So yeah, I think that the way I'm gonna try to keep my weight off is, if I'm feeling like, if I'm gaining weight, because I weigh myself every day, and I can see, on the days where I'm like the day before, if I ate too much, you can see that I gained weight. So I can pretty much snap back the next day, and I think that's what I'm going to try to do when I'm going to be like at a normal weight. What I mean is like at a healthy weight. My weight goal is to be like around 60 to 65 kilograms, and I'm going to try to, like, if I see that I'm gaining a little bit of weight, I'm going to try to snap back within a day or two. Next question is, what's my go-to healthy snack? I would say anything fruit. That's what I'm noticing, that I don't gain weight eating. So if I'm eating like, I don't know, something like healthy, like a healthy bar or whatever, I'm gaining weight. Okay, next question is, what surprised me the most about losing weight? I think that what surprised me the most is, first of all, everything that you're losing with your weight loss. So losing my hair, I was actually not expecting it. I lost my hair. I started to lose my hair. By the way, I'm wearing a wig. That's not my real hair. I'll link everything down below. But I lost my hair after 3 months of basically starting my weight loss journey, and I was not expecting it at all. I thought, within like a month of my weight loss journey, I thought, wow, like I'm not losing anything. I'm not losing my hair. It's fine. Like I'll never lose it. I'm good. Also, I was not expecting to be iron deficient. Someone asked, carbs are bad, or can you take it in smaller amounts? So carbs are great. You just don't lose as much weight as you would if you ate protein and fiber. My weight loss journey has been carbs and fats. Literally, I barely ate protein, and fiber comes from like fruits and vegetables. And I did eat like fiber from like fruits and vegetables, but it was not a very high protein diet. It was a high carb, high fat, some fiber diet. And I still lost the weight, but it takes a lot longer. But I really don't like to eat a lot of protein. Like, I just don't like how it tastes. I don't like how protein tastes. I prefer carbs. But that's why you lose your hair, and thank God I didn't lose anything else. But yeah. Okay, so next question is, how long did it take? I'm pretty much at like about a year and a half, a year and 4 months, something like that. Yeah, a year and 4 months. Next question is, if I could do it all over again, would I do the sleeve or would I do the bypass? I would 100% do the sleeve. I wouldn't do the bypass because it kind of scared me a little bit, the bypass, just in terms of like being vitamin deficient. And I feel like with the sleeve, I'm already a little bit deficient, so I can't even imagine with the bypass. The thing is, with the bypass, apparently you lose more weight, but that also can depend. So I don't know. But I would, I would do the sleeve all over again. Question is, why did you gain so much weight in the first place? So I gained almost 400 pounds. My whole life I've been obese. I've never not been obese. I've never been skinny. So it was just like that from the beginning of my life, literally. I don't have a single picture of me being skinny or having a little bit of weight. It was always morbidly obese. My whole life I've been morbidly obese. So it kept on piling up. And I did diet here and there. But then I would regain everything, and I would regain even more, and then I would keep dieting and regaining, dieting, regaining. So that's how the weight kind of piled up. So that's it for my video. I want to do a what I eat in a day, and I want to show you guys exactly what I eat to lose weight. And yeah, probably within like a few days. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you so much. Also, my before and after pictures are on my Instagram. I'll link it down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much.